Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be discussing about electric current. What is all about electric current and what are the various components that we can depicted in this electric circuit and its symbols as well. And also we are trying to depict one circuit which is closed circuit and another circuit which is open circuit. So let's understand what is all about a shell. Shell is a media to power up the electric circuit. We have the symbol is plus and minus in DC. That is what we are going to represent a power in a small shell using this with this symbol. And we have a battery which is 9-volt battery. So usually we are connected these kind of batteries, multiple batteries which will be in the series fashion. That's how we are represented here is this is one shell, this is one shell, and this is one shell. Basically, three shells were kept in series. That is the symbol we are represented here. And we have a switch as well. Switch is represented with the open switch and closed switch. Closed switch means we are going to switch on this circuit where it is going to power up, or when we are going to switch off, that is when the circuit becomes open. And we represent the bulb, which is in this case is LED because we are working on DC. This is how we represented the LED symbol. And we have represented the connecting wires. These are the various connecting wires we are used in the most of our project, which is single wire and without connection and connecting. These are the symbols we are represented in this electric circuit. Now I'm going to close the circuit by switching on. Now if you can see, it is glowing. That is when the circuit is getting closed by switching on this switch. Then the electrons are going to move like this from this battery to resistor, from resistor to LED, again to switch. Whenever we are powering on the switch, that's when the circuit becomes closed. And here the circuit is in open because this is switch is not on. That means the power is not passing from resistor to LED and to switch. That is the representation of the open circuit. I hope how the various components or things we can represent in a simple panel. That's what we have demonstrated in this working model. I hope you guys got clarity on what are the various of these components, what is all about open circuit, what is all about closed circuit and open circuit. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.